Hi, boys and girls. Yesterday, you had a field trip, and I asked you to go outside and check and see where you thought there might be soil. So I'm just going to ask, where did you find soil? Where would you look? Okay, obviously on the ground, correct. I found soil under my deck. I found soil in my front yard where I have plants that are in beds, in my flower beds. If we dug up the grass, would there be soil under there? Yes, there would. If we dug up the street, would there be dirt under the street? Yes, there would. Was there any areas of soil that didn't have anything growing in it? Well, there should, because there's a lot of different reasons why things could or could not grow in soil. Today, we're going to do something scientific. You are going to be making observations about soil. So the first thing I need you to do is go and get your science notebook and a pencil. Now that you have your science notebook and a pencil, I'm keeping all of my investigation ones together. All of the information that has to do with soil stays together. So this I've dated August 31st. This is today. Now we're going to do September 1st, and at the top, I want you to write observation of soils. Observation of soils. Now, you guys are fourth graders. I'm treating you like scientists because you all can be scientists. The word observation means that you are gathering information by noting facts. So if I ask you to make observation about what soils look like, you're not going to say cool, you're not going to say gross. Those aren't scientific facts. Those are opinions. That's what we think. We have to actually have facts. So some of the facts that I want you to look for are color, shape, size, materials, so what do you think it's made up of? And this is another word, it's called texture. Texture, and texture is the way something feels. Boys and girls, in a science experiment, you should never touch, eat, or smell anything unless the teacher has given you permission or told you that it is safe to do so. Some things can hurt you, they could burn you, or they could be poisonous. So please don't ever eat, touch, or smell something that you don't know really what it is. The next thing I want you to do after you've taken these notes is I want you to make a grid or a foursquare just as I've done here. And in the upper left quadrant, you're going to write soil 1, soil 2, soil 3, and soil 4. Now today, while you guys were working, I made different soils. I created different soils that you might find in different places of the country. So what you are going to do right now, you need your notebook and you need a pencil, and I'm going to pour some soil out, and I'm going to ask you to make some observations. All right, this is our first soil. This is our first soil sample. I'm going to zoom in on it, and I want you to write as many observations as you can in the grid with your soil sample. I'll go ahead and spread it out a little bit so that you can see better what the soil is made up of. Now, don't forget, you're talking about the shape, the size of the items, the color. I'm going to touch it. Oh, do you see what's on my fingers? Do you see that? Especially this one. So since you can't really see it, oh, do you see how it's like silky? It's like powder. Okay, so think about how you would describe that. I'm going to go ahead and freeze it, and I want you to really look and see how many different types of observations you can write. Okay, so I made my observations. And some of the observations I made said light tan and pink in color. So I talked about the color that I saw. Some darker pieces of rock, tiny rocks. So I said I thought there were tiny rocks, and they're mostly round. And this is the one thing that you can't do right now. I said that it's sandy and it feels very smooth and powdery. So we just made observations of one type of soil. Please make sure you have your observations written in soil 1. Please make sure you have your observations that also explain what an observation is. And we will be doing soils 2, 3, and 4 tomorrow. We will be doing soils 2, 3, 4 tomorrow.